So, good day everyone. Good day, sir. I am Greca Grace Pacheco, and in this video or presentation, I'm going to discuss the Tagakaulo since I am assigned to the topic Tagakaulo. So, in this video, I am going to share their practices, their beliefs, their source of income, language, as well as their crafts and clothing. But of course, let me start with my presentation's outline. So, for today's outline or in this video's outline is the definition, their crafts and clothing, language, source of income, and lastly, their practices and beliefs. So now let's move on to the next slide, which I will discuss the origin or like the meaning of the word Tagakaulo. So the word Tagakaulo is derived from Olo sa Tubig, which translates to inhabitants of headwater. So the Philippines Davao del Sur is home to the Tagakaulo tribe. Their main areas of residence are the Talaguton River, Lais, and Malalag. So the approximate population is 124 and 698,000. So, of course, Tagakaulo people are renowned for their exceptional craftsmanship, which particularly in basket weaving, embroidery, loom weaving, as well as the blanket weaving. So, based on the examples, we can infer that Tagakaulo people are really creative when it comes to making their clothing, like maybe their blankets, as well as their basket that they are using for their everyday lives. So, their artistry extends to clothing with jackets crafted from abaca with mother-of-pearl discs carefully lined with glass and beads. So of course, 'di ba, in every di naman talaga mawawala ang kanilang clothing. So, every indigenous people have their own very unique clothing. But let me specifically present to you the Tagakaulo's clothing. So, we have the panaen. So in Tagakaulo, only male Tagakaulo wears this. So which specifically male from the elite class of Tagakaulo wears it. It was worn during ceremonies and important events. Its complexity is an expression of the Tagakaulo weavers' talent and dedication. So for the next is the lower garment. It is also made from the abaca, so the coating's features serve as a representation of the Tagakalo people's pride. And lastly, of course, hindi mawawala ang for females na clothing. So it is embroidered top, also known as bong panayan. It is a female Tagakaulo's upper clothing. Additionally, it is also made from abaca as well. So aside from the specific weave, every area of the weave is decorated with beads. So um, sa sa this information pa lang, we can infer that Tagakaulo are very creative and very specific when it comes to their clothings, which makes their clothing very unique and also really good. So for next are their language and as well as their source of income. So the Tagakaulo language is connected to dialects. Those are the Mandaya, the Kalagan, and the Kamayo dialects, which also belongs to Austronesian and Malayo-Polynesian language families. So next is their source of income. So their primary means of living were fishing and agriculture. Of course, Tagakaulo, di ba, sa origin pa lang ng word is the inhabitants of headwater. So, meron talagang water kung saan sila tumitira. So, if there's water, there's fishing. And of course, the agriculture for the crops, like for the rice, para sa kanilang food. So, every highland plain and river has a primogeniture. This is the rule that a firstborn child has the right of the succession kung ano mang kayamanan ang meron sila. So, only the firstborn child lang daw ang maaring makamana nito. So, of course, every indigenous people have their own practices and beliefs. So let's move on to their practices and beliefs. So traditional Tagakaulos beliefs includes tattooing and teeth blackening, as well as offering sacrifices to a mystical being residing atop sa Mount Apo. So the Tagaulos believe in supernatural presence residing atop of Mount Apo. When they think he's upset or when they visit the volcano to collect sulfur, they offered him human sacrifices, like the ideas about Diwatas throughout the islands. They think that this creature can be both benign and malignant. So it's like also different from us, because for us, like, the life, 'di ba, of every human is important. But sa kanila, they also offer human sacrifices, for the creature na nag-reside daw sa Mount Apo, because they believe that this creature, or like this deity, might be like, if magalit, baka 'di na sila mabigyan ng mga natural resources. And they also human sacrifices because um baka daw magalit. So, yep. For the next are their Edel dance. So, Edel dance, it is the Tagakaulos tribe's healing ritual. So, the Tagakaulo people of southern Davao execute the Edel dance, a ceremonial dance. So, it tells a story about death and vengeance. So, let me like discuss briefly kung ano ang ginagawa sa Edel dance. So there are three ladies who are grieving the loss of a relative. So they would enter the dance with votive lights, or like torches. Guys playing the Edel or Odol, a long wooden musical instrument. So I believe na yung Adele dance, like, came from the word odol, which is a long wooden musical instrument na ginagamit sa Adele dance. So, trail after them, the woman holds spears and beat the odol in an angered pace and contrast with the steady speed of the song, so effectively expressing their suffering. So the Adele dance, like, not like the other Lebanese people na maybe their dance, like, it is to express love, 'di ba? But the Adele dance is quite different. It's quite unique because they express their anger, to express their suffering of the loss of the life of their loved ones. So after that, a male priest then dances and calls on the spirit to direct the soul of the departed. So at last, two warriors carrying spears emerge and perform a furious circle dance before escaping into the forest, most likely seeking vengeance by securing up their opponents' heads. So, as what I said, no, you can really realize that the adult dance is not like, not kanang for like love. It is like about the anger, like, and the vengeance. So parang ang adult dance is like really like, it's not like really bad, it's like quiet violent siguro, because like it express their anger and vengeance. So the Tagakaulo clan from Barangay Dato Danwata is recognized for their unique version of adult dance. So meron ding other variation ng adult dance. It is the same pero like may difference lang. So according sa article na basa ko, so according to one elder, they prepare various items for the ceremony. So including the pasapling. So pasapling is like inhaling the scent of a plant or flower while dancing the edal with odol and agong. So this ritual takes place 3 days after the burial of a sibling or a family member, or like a relative. So aiming to provide physical, emotional, and spiritual healing to the extended family members of the tribe. So as you can see, di ba sa title sa presentation, it is the Tagakaulos tribe's healing ritual. So this dance is performed with joy and satisfaction without any moments of sorrow. The community believes that the departed family member has peacefully transitioned to paradise to be with Creator. So, the adult dance offered family spiritual and physical and emotional healing, especially after a sibling loss. This tradition, rooted in a belief in a creator deity, has preserved traditional values and practices that continue to be observed today. So, maybe their dance is like to show anger, to show vengeance in order for them to move on, and through Adele dance, na-express nila yon para mag-heal. So, since this is the last, I'm going to present the summary. So, again, the Tagakaulo is from Tagakaulo is from Olo sa tubig, meaning inhabitants of headwater. They primarily live in Talaguton, rivers, Lais, and Malalag. So their crafts and clothing include na yung basket weaving, embroidery, loom weaving, as well as their clothing naman, yung panaen and bongpanayan. So their language is Tagakaulo language, which is connected sa dialect ng Mandaya, and so on. So the source of income, of course, it is agriculture and fishing. So their practices and beliefs, traditional Tagakaulo beliefs involve practices like tattooing, teeth blackening, and making sacrifices to a mystical being, so residing daw sa Mount Apo. So additionally, the Tagakaulo people um, dance the Adele, a ceremony na nag-express ng kanilang vengeance and then also for the death of their loved ones. So I guess that's it. Na-discuss ko na yung lahat ng outline nasa PPT ko. And here's and sa references, and that's it. Thank you.